Welcome back to Shiny Boy's channel. This is gonna be my first vlog for the channel. I actually never really vlogged like that, so I'm kind of scared. Like I stutter here and there, but you know, it's whatever. So we're just gonna start off right. You feel me? So today I'm just gonna get a car wash because I'm pretty dusty. I had to raise it up a little bit because I'm doing suspension work, so I want to make it easier for me to go up on the rack and whatnot. But let me show you guys what I've been working on. See that cup holder right there? She looks nice and all, but it's kind of flimsy. So I gotta take this back apart, and then I gotta get or make new brackets for this for like extra support, so it can not be flimsy. So I'm gonna be doing that today. Get a car wash, and then probably get some boba. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog me doing the suspension work because I need a new bracket pinion and CV axle. So I'm gonna be doing that at work, like on a Saturday. But then I don't really like that wheel gap, dude. Ugh. But it's whatever. Yeah. It's all rinsed down. So I'm gonna get to scrubbing now. Made it to Lowe's, you feel me? Let's go find some hardware. Or like I made it here, but I don't know where to go. I can't find like no brackets or whatnot. That's tough. Alright, I made to like this doorknob aisle or something like that. But like they have like brackets here, dude. I think they'll work. I don't know, I gotta figure out something. Alright, I think I found it. I'll have to buy one of these sheet metals and just bend it, I guess. I feel like that's the only thing that would probably work. Got a whole varieties here, bro. Man, it's gonna be a little hard to cut this thing. I don't know if I even have an angle grinder, to be honest. What is this? Can't pull it out. I'm just have to go with one of these and just bend it. Send it. So I settled on this. I just gotta cut it and bend it into place. Hopefully it works out great. Alright, I lied, guys. I think I found something way better. This is a flat, like steel piece. Pretty flexible. I feel like it'd be easier to cut as well. Hopefully it'd be strong enough though. We'll find out. Execute. Alright, I need to go get my drill and some drill bits at my workplace, so I'll probably go there next. Yeah. Just made it to work. I just got what I needed. My drill, my charger, and the drill bit set. Let's get dog. Got the dash apart. Yeah, I'm about to take this little bracket I made off. It's not that strong. Yep, I got the Milwaukee, you feel me? So yeah, let me get started. So I just cut the brackets. I'm just gonna sand these ends right here. I'm gonna focus. Already did one. It looks pretty jank, but it works. Got that out. Please drill the holes on the bottom. Alright, after finessing it for like an hour, that's how it's looking. Not flimsy anymore. Super stable. Slap some drinks on that bad boy. Let me just get some water, you know? Always keep water in my trunk just in case I'm thirsty. My trunk's kinda right now, but hey. Yes, sir. Honestly, I really love it. Guess who's here? Your boy Nam. Oh, He didn't bring his G today. What's up, dog? Yo. This is new.
Lens?
Nah, this is stock lens, dude. But yeah, we're gonna get some boba later. So yes, sir. This is the first vlog I'm doing.
First vlog ever?
Yeah, first vlog.
So happy to be in there.
That's my brother Justice.
Bro, what the fuck?
This is our first vlog. So
What's up, guys?
yeah, that's his Teggy right there, and that's Namscar. But yeah, so here to check his engine. Yeah, we're gonna head to Nam's house so I can show him how to use the OBD2 scanner for his car because he has a check engine light. So we're gonna be heading in there right now. So yeah, we just got here, made it to Nam's house. Go check that code. Okay. Yeah, this is Nam's Infinity. Is that a Tome dog? Yeah, but he drives that as a daily though, you know, to save gas. But yeah, we're gonna check this code for him and see what it is. Hopefully he can fix it in the future. So yeah, I just checked his engine code. He has an O2 sensor, bank 1. Both sensors are actually out, so he's gonna have to replace those soon. But we just made it to T4. Damn, son. But yeah, I'm just gonna have some boba and just chill. For sure. You got boba? Look at that. They can hold it, bro. Let me unlock the door for him. But yeah, that's gonna be all today. Huh? That's gonna be my first vlog. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do next for my next vlog, but yeah, stay tuned. So have a good afternoon or a day.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goyard, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go-go.